Assalamu alaikum. Very good morning, dears. Let's start our lesson. Flying kite. Where is the bird right now? Bird is at Minu's house. What the Minu gave to the bird? She gave the fruits and nuts to the bird. Minu took care of the bird and the bird became very healthy. What is the name of the bird? Kitty. See the textbook, children, 35 page number. Why is Minu so happy? Minu is happy because her bird become very healthy and active. What changes do you see in Kitty? Yes, Kitty started flying. Kitty is flying. See the conversation between mother and Minu. Minu is telling, "Look, mother, Kitty is flying. Beautiful wings. The tail is like a ribbon." Minu said happily. Minu is telling happily because her kitty is flying. So she is very happy. So she is calling her mother and telling, "See, kitty is flying. It is having beautiful wings and tail is like a ribbon." Minu is happy to see the bird is flying because the bird is having colorful wings. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. Again, it flew up again and sat on the Minu's shoulder. It came back and sat on the Minu's shoulder. She patted the bird lovingly. "Shall we go out?" asked Minu. She touched the bird very lovingly and asked the bird, "Shall we go out?" "Minu, kitty can fly now. Let it go," mother said. At that time, mummy told what? His mother told, "It can fly. Now it is freely can fly. Let it go out. Let it free be outside." Will Minu let kitty go? Yes, Minu will let the kitty go out. You have to write these questions in your notes book.
Look, mother, kitty is flying. Beautiful wings. The tail is like a ribbon, Minu said happily. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. It flew up again and sat on Minu's shoulder. She patted the bird lovingly. "Shall we go out?" asked Minu. "Minu, kitty can fly now. Let it go," mother said. "Mother, kitty is flying. Beautiful wings. The tail is like a ribbon," Minu said happily. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. It flew up again and sat on Minu's shoulder. She patted the bird lovingly. "Shall we go out?" asked Minu. "Minu, kitty can fly."
"Now let it go," mother said. You have to read along with me together. See this, children, you have to write in your notebook and textbook. Textbook, it is there. See, the bird has yellow beak. It has red eyes. You have to start like this. The bird has yellow beak. This is kitty. It has red eyes. Then you have to continue like this.
This is kitty. It has a red beak. It has beautiful wings. Its tail is like a ribbon. It can fly. It eats nuts and fruits. Complete the sentence. Okay? We can compare it with your textbook. Then complete it. Okay. Read it. Look here. What is missing here? Which word? The wings are beautiful. Yes, the missing word is beautiful. Now you can read it. Beautiful wings. Okay. Okay, look at the next sentence. The tail is. Okay, find out the word. Find out. Find out from the textbook. Yes. Read it. The tail is like a ribbon. The tail is like a ribbon. Okay, good. Okay, next sentence. The bird sat on. Okay, find out the sentence. Find out. Hurry up. Hurry up. Yes, here it is. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. Read it. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. Okay, what is next? Yes, read it. It flew up again and... Okay, find out the missing words. Find out. Yes, it flew up again and sat on... Okay, what is next? She dashed the bird lovingly. What is missing here? Hey, look at the textbook and compare it and find out the missing word. Yes, speed up. Yes, here is the word. She patted the bird lovingly. She patted the bird lovingly. Okay, my dears, read it. Beautiful wings. The tail is like a ribbon. The bird sat on the top of the shelf. It flew up again and sat on Minu's shoulder. She patted the bird lovingly.